it's Prachi, and today I'm going to show you very quickly how to use these ready to use wax strips at home for waxing. So I'm using Veet wax strips. You can use Hip Hop, Sleek. There are lots of brands available in the market these days. Just one quick suggestion, this is completely up to you. But when I was using the YLG wax strips, they didn't work for me at all. It actually contains like the YLG wax strips and some other brands also. They contain a very a transparent thin film, okay, and what happens that when you're separating the wax, half the wax will come on one side of the sheet, half the wax on the other side of the sheet, so it's like extremely patchy, and when you remove it, it's even crazy. So I'm using the Veet wax strips. You get for different colors for different skin types, so it's totally up to you what works for you, what doesn't work for you. And using this is actually very easy, guys. First, apply some powder on your skin. Just clean your skin and apply some powder. Especially if you have oily skin, it's very important to apply powder. If you have dry skin, you can skip this step, alright? And then we'll just take the wax strips on the palms like this and just massage it like this, okay? So I'm just massaging. What happens is that when you massage it like this, now guys, you're basically heating up the wax, because of the heat of your hands. The heat generated by your hands, it gets transferred to the strip and it starts to warm up a little bit. And then what you want to do is pull it from the sides. Be very careful that you don't touch the wax, obviously. Just separate the two sheets out. So now you can basically use each sheet. This is also usable and this is also usable, so we'll use them one by one. You don't have to waste anything. And then on your skin, you just put the sheet, and what you do is you massage it in the direction of your hair growth. So in whichever direction your hair is growing. And let me just quickly tell you guys that the hair does not always grow in like one direction, like this or this. Sometimes the hair can grow in this direction also, especially on the hands. It happens a lot. Sometimes half the hair will grow in this direction, sometimes half will go in this direction. It will happen. So be very careful of which direction the hair is growing in. If you want, you can also cut little strips. Like if there's a little bit of hair growing in this direction, some hair growing in this direction, you can cut the strips and use it like that also, for different directions, different strips. All right. And yeah, once you're done massaging it in the direction of the hair growth, very quickly pulling it from the sides, just pull it off, and that's it. That's all you have to do. As you can see, I know this looks a little gross, but I think it's very important in a waxing video to show how the hair has been actually pulled off. You should be able to use each strip for at least 2 or 3 times, if not more, depending of course on how much hair growth you have and how much powder you were using initially. Even that matters. But ideally you should be able to use each strip for at least 2 or 3 times. And then after you're done with waxing, usually in these wax kits you will also get this wipe, okay? This is like an after cleaning wipe. So if there's some wax residue left, you can just use this wipe to clean up. I don't use it half the time because it's not required only, but if there's some residue of wax left, you can use it to clean up. Now I know some people will say that Prachi, is waxing really painful, especially if I've never done waxing before. I'll be honest, yes, waxing is not entirely the most luxurious, comfortable beauty treatment, but this wax strip, the Veet one, actually you can use it on shorter hair also, alright? Some others also you can use on shorter hair, so you have to check the packaging and what product guarantees what. But if you are removing shorter hair, the pain will be a lot less. Obviously, when the longer hair is removed from the roots, it will pain more. If the shorter hair, so it will just like come out like in a quick flick. So try to use do waxing more frequently so that the pain is very little, and of course it also reduces the hair growth. So yes, that's all I want to share. And guys, the pricing and all, see, depends on of course how much hair growth you have. But and oh, by the way, each strip you can use for multiple times, again depending on how much hair growth you have. All right. So one thing I want to say, that the price depends. If you use like this one box, I think it cost me ₹99 or something, you can easily finish like waxing half your hands and half your legs, something like that. So especially if you compare this with the salon prices, you save a lot of money, plus you're doing it at home at the comfort of your home, so it's very nice. Especially when I'm going for waxing, if I'm getting my thighs waxed or my underarms waxed, I get like really uncomfortable. That I want to do like if possible I want to do that waxing at home myself only. It just makes me more comfortable, so I just prefer waxing, or epilating is even better for me personally. I like doing hair removal at home as much as possible, plus it's extremely affordable, right? So yes guys, that's all I wanted to share in this video, very quickly giving you an idea of how to use wax strips at home. If you have any questions, please share your questions in the comment section below, guys. And if you want to see some ready to use wax strip options available in the market, I'll put the links in the description box below for the products that I like. Like I like Veet, I like Hip Hop, although Hip Hop does not have a very good review. Personally, Hip Hop worked really well for me, okay? Sleek is something which kind of sort of worked for me, so it's okay. So I will just put the links of the ones which I like, whichever brands I personally like. You can use anything else also if you want to use that. This is just for reference. And yes, that's all, guys. That's Lyra. She's playing with a toy, and sorry, she's just running around. It's really funny to watch her and very distracting when I'm filming my videos. I'm gonna end this video now, Lyra. I'm gonna end this video now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye bye.